YouTube, Hog Rider here. This is not the docks I was talking about in the last video. This one here is much closer to home. Anyway, doing some magnet fishing and see what we can do. It's kind of bouncing along the bottom. Hey, look at that. Got a pair of pliers already. Maybe we can clean them up, make them work. Okay, YouTube, the other side now. Didn't produce a whole lot, but we'll see what we can get this time. Something here. Seeing this. Chair. Heavy. Not what I was expecting. YouTube, that is not what I was expecting. You know, I made a hook thing I saw on Jigs Outdoors. You should go check his channel out. He's got some good things on there. Metal detecting and magnet fishing as well, out of Maryland, I believe. Anyway, he has showed how to make a hook. I could have used that hook today and I just plumb forgot it at home. Oh well. Let's see what else we can get. Hang on. Well, YouTube, wasn't that interesting? Anyway, off camera, I found that dip net of some sort, the scissors, and a few hooks. But this is actually fairly new, maybe 2 years old now. But I was really surprised to catch this chair. It had some weird weight I've never seen. I've seen weights shaped like this, but I've never seen one. I guess you well, maybe that's the same and you can crease it like a split shot or something. I don't know. Eating some nuts and went down the wrong way. Anyway, different. See what else I can find later. Stand by, stay tuned. Thank you, YouTube. YouTube, tell me what you think. This is what I'm going to do. It's the decision I made, but I want to hear from all of you. Tell me if you think I was wrong or right. Just anyway, whichever way it goes, I'm fine with that. This is what I'm doing. So this pair of scissors and these hooks here, I'm going to leave them right here the way I set them. Somebody else come out here fishing and maybe they would like to have those. I don't have any use for them myself. I do different type of fishing. Don't use those type of hooks. I don't use scissors. When I trim my line or cut my line, I use toenail clippers is what I use. And anyway, I'm going to leave them sitting there so somebody else can either use them or enjoy them or whatever. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you think I'm wrong, then tell me. If you think I'm right, tell me, or should I had just went ahead and thrown them away in the trash can. Either way, this is what I'm doing, my decision. So, all right, you guys, thanks for everything. All right, YouTube. Well, I took us magnet fishing back over there. Then I decided we'd do some metal detecting here in this practice soccer field. They used to play soccer here, but now they got a couple of really nice soccer fields for them to play on. Anyway, I didn't film anything because it's full of trash. Walking back to the car and towards this parking area here, it's all gravel. And of course, everybody sticks their hands in their pockets, pull out the keys, they lose things. I did find a quarter and a penny, but I didn't record them. My finds, trash, as usual for this place, but you know, might get lucky. And more trash. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I can't do nothing but get better. Okay, stay in there with me. Bye, YouTube. YouTube, one more thing. You might be interested in today's equipment. My shovel, serrated on both ends. Really like this. Had it for a few years now. And of course, the good old AT Pro. I really like this machine. And as you know, I recently bought also that Excalibur. I like that one. I think I'm really going to enjoy it when I get mainly at the ocean and really get in the water. Yeah, you can take the AT Pro in the water, but as long as you keep re-ground balancing or lower the ground balance very low with the salt, and it'll work. But I wanted something a little different. And of course, you know, Garrett makes good stuff. Have their pouch and the Carrot, of course, and we all know this one. Good old my digging tool. But thought you might be interested. Oh, the headphones, I have these Gray Ghost, so I can get in the water with over my head with the AT Pro. And of course, we all know that the Excalibur has waterproof headphones. Anyway, don't forget about our troops. They are our freedom. I used to be one, and I miss a lot of it, not all of it. All right, YouTube, later.